Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I will solve the problem regarding the control center crashing or not working. So for this I will provide you my backup zip in which control center is fully functional so that you can fix the problem with installation. Right click and select WinRAR and select extract file. Now the directory location is Windows C drive program files x86 and click OK. And if you see any option of replace files, click yes. Now I am not extracting it because I already have it. Now open the folder extracted and visit the same address and open Control Center. Here you will find several prerequisites which you have to install, so go to app install and either you can install each package plugin manually or you can use the one option auto install, but I will recommend you to install it manually. Here you will find all the features which are compatible or incompatible with your device, so I suggest you to install all packages. And as you may have noticed, we also have several more .exe files to run because sometimes they are not properly installed and our control center is not connected to the motherboard functionality, so I myself had the experience facing the problem of control center not working 2 times. At first it was really easy. I downloaded driver from official site and installed and it worked at once, but second time it was very difficult for me because I forgot which variant I downloaded for and downloaded for wrong variant and it won't install. Now after installing all the packages, check if the problem is fixed or not. If somehow it is not working, try to restart your laptop. And here you will find all the sub-packages installed here. I guess these were beta packages or old Verizon packages. It includes all functions like CPU, GPU, overclocking, keyboard customization, etc. But my variant does not support this, maybe i7 variant or the X17 variant, which is not launched in it. Currently we have X15 instead, so search for FN key and click and run. FN key and OSD, and it should open your control center, and then try the normal FN key function like FN plus ESC, FN plus F1, FN plus F2, etc. Here you can also find the manual to use control center more properly and get to know more shortcut keys and function. My variant also supports all function, but I guess I would have to wait for the official BIOS update. As you can see, we also have official apps for CPU and GPU overclocking, but this won't work on my variant. Instead I have MSI Afterburner and Intel Extreme Tune utility. And if this worked, like and subscribe my channel so that I can help you out with these small problems, and if it did not work, let me know in the comments section. Till then we will meet in next video. Yo chico, bye bye.